Hi, my gems. Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time seeing my face. Hi, my name is Mora, currently I'm 21, and we're going to be rearranging and cleaning my room today. So this is what we are starting with. Okay, this is what we are starting with. I still have this tote in here. I gotta get rid of the tote. Put everything in the tote and this dresser because it's empty. Clean up this area. Then I want to move the bed sideways and then put the TV in this corner and then do some other stuff. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we're just gonna dump this bin onto the bed. And why is my TV not turning on? Why is my TV not turning on? Ugh, I don't know. I'm having technical difficulties.
And your story starts way too early. Let me ask you a question. Think I want you to start at your birth. There are a lot of ways for toddlers to start learning. But there's only one way for them to start off big. Lego Duplo.
T-Mobile home internet is so good. It's nothing. I can tell the whole world. Exactly right ahead. T-Mobile's got home internet. T-Mobile's got home internet. It's just $35 a month, guaranteed for 5 years. I'm switching. T-Mobile's got home internet. It's $35 a month, and it's guaranteed for 5 years.
Okay. So, about to go hang these up. The bin is almost done. I'm a little tired, but I think if I take a little ganja burns break, I'll feel a little better. But I don't know yet. I want to at least get the tote done before I do anything and then take half of the stuff out the room. Okay. Is it crooked?
Okay, guys. When we're sitting around the table saying what we're thankful for, nobody say stealing from all balance. And Janet doesn't need to know that.
That's okay. Aaron got some jobs to thank you for. I have secured my position as a split employee. I was able to recite all the ingredients of the secret sauce so the 2 giant smelty nerds could not do.
I still don't know how to do it.
Because it's smart. The first order of all the ingredients, basil, onions, oil, garlic, emulsifier, ranch dressing, spell, good.
Tip. First, did it. You are such a child, Axel. Unlike you, I'm an adult and to follow my job. And an adult and your fault. Not me. You choke because you're a choker.
This is like my little area that I'm recording currently, but that's going to be obviously changing since I'm changing. So this area out of here. And y'all know I started this full-time job, and with the other jobs, it's been, yeah, I don't know. And it's just been a lot of like working style, but it's doing pretty good. So I want to clean the table first, and then take it fully out the room. So.
It's mine. And she said yes. What's the role of Rearrange? No, just one out thing. She should join me. We're going to come here. I have no idea how to put it. I wish I could just grab her camera and make a good face and let you guys know. Don't say that. Sorry, but I only have this weekend's paper. Once Monday hits, I'm supposed to see her. So you better like this girl. She's beautiful. Of course I like her. I know what it is, but I just want to see her girl who happily looks if she's told me to bet on everybody else. Is that what you're wearing? Captors plan. It's for effective visual picture. It doesn't work. And we're the cookies. This is it. Things start going south, and we'll build anything on page 12. You guys can talk.
Okay, so we're gonna clean this pan thing while we're sitting here. My little break is over.
Right? You been listening to me?
I'm sorry, I'm still trying to figure out this software wrench thingy about to come into business. That's pretty well, I didn't get through this.
This means, right? Sean obviously recorded the whole thing. I don't know what to do. I talked to my mom, but she just gave me this whole wrong solution.
Let me guess. You're beautiful, and the man would be lucky to have you have the same stage with my mom. You ever go to the doctors? I could say I'm selling tulip bulbs for or some beer and see what the vibe is.
Oh, not even home. The whole family went skiing in Michigan. They got cousins to community service and pick up trash and stuff. I just wish I knew what Sean was thinking.
So just send them a casual text. Do you guys have a texting relationship?
Usually, let's see, the last thing I texted her was, my tailgate is black. Should I have a look at? Well, he's studying to be a doctor.
Think of something to run a computer store. Not to mention that it's the middle of the winter. We're gonna destroy you someplace in the spring when the girl comes. That's all good deal. Big pain in the butt.
I don't want to pay it for. What are you standing around for, boy? Help me out. We don't have a chance to have a good one.
What's happening? Shut the two boards on the back of the refrigerator, and she didn't like those laps that turned into a spoon. Where'd you get that top? 20 seconds. You're not good.
Disappears after kissing me.
Okay, this is where the big part's coming in, because we're moving the dressers now. Well, I'm gonna move this stuff in this area. And then y'all are on my other tripod. Room is gonna look so tea when I'm done. Now I'm starting to get tired. I have work tomorrow. I don't even know what time it is. But let's get to kitchen because all we gotta do is move this bed and then move the TV and then bring the other stuff back in here. So let's do it. Hopefully I can move the bed without taking this stuff off of it. It's working. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, my fan! I got my big fan. Okay, I'm gonna look on this side because I don't know because it could go. Come here, buddy. But I'm not quite sure. Okay. Okay, so I want a table to go over here and the TV to be here. Or should I put it up against this wall? Am I'm thinking this wall. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Let me figure out which one looks better. The bed is going to sit in this area. Also, the bed is backwards because these things is on the side. I'll flip it another time. But I'm just going to clean to get everything here so I can put this in. Okay, so this is how it is. Don't mind the walls. I really gotta clean these walls. I gotta get some more sofa pads and I'm gonna clean these motherfucking walls. But this is what it's looking like so far. Let me stand by the door. Cute little cozy little. I'm about to put this gray dresser over there. So let's do that. If I take this is gonna fall apart. Now, let me get everything off this bed and then straighten it up a little bit more and show y'all my new rearrange room. It's not redecorated. I do want to get more stuff. Like, I'm gonna get 2 more posters and more pictures for my picture wall, and I feel like that's about it. But I got these stickers that I've been putting up. If y'all, yeah, type shit. You have officially made it to the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back at it again soon. I promise I'm gonna be more consistent, but y'all know I just started a full-time job and girl been tired. But this is the new and rearranged room. I don't know, let me stand in the corner. Show y'all it from this point of view. Okay. Like, it's really so tea. Stop playing. See the posters? Yes. This side, I gotta get more on this side. But yeah, it's tea.